Okay, so now again we are going to learn about this symbol union. Okay, so here see this. Okay, minus infinity and infinity. Okay, na? See, suppose I am asking you one question. Uh, do union of minus 4 to 10 union 3 to 12, like that. I have to write two things. I have to represent these two things. Okay, on number line, and I have to write some other representation for that set of numbers. So first of all, what I am going to do, minus 4 to 10 I am going to represent. I will take minus 4 and I will take here 10, and minus 4 is open bracket, 10 is close bracket. First I represented this. Yes, na? Next is 3 to 12. So here I will write there is somewhere 3 is there, and then I will write 12. Minus 3, sorry, 3 is open, 12 is close. Union means take all those numbers together. Take all those numbers together. Union means taking everything together. So if you see all those numbers together, just see this. These are the number when you'll take union, these all number will come together. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Arey bolo. Yes na? Yes na? Yes. So suppose I am a part of family also, and I am part of society also. Okay. And I am going to become a part of something. Then two, I will not go as a two, na. I will go as a single entity, na. Yes or no? Because I am the same thing, na. I am part of my family also. I am part of society also. Suppose some organization is inviting my family also and my society also. So I will go as a single thing, na. You will not so. You will not like this, na. I am going from family, and one more my copy will go from society. Yes or no? So here you can see these numbers are in this system also, and these number are in that system also. So these numbers will not write two times. Okay, it will come only one time. So simply I am taking minus 4 here, and I am taking 12. 12 is close, 4 is open, and this will become a union of both. It means if you take both these numbers together, that will become this number. Yes, na? Like suppose in one is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, like this. In another, suppose I want to take union of this with 2 comma 3 comma 4. So what will become union of this? Can you tell me? 1 2 3 4. This 2 is here also, that 2 is here also, but both 2 is same, na. You cannot write here 2 and 2, na. Yes or no? So that 2 and 2 is 2 times, but you have to write only 1 times when you are writing in union. Okay, so this is known as union of two sets. This is also a set, that is also a set. Okay, or simply you can say this is a group of number, and that is also a group. Yes, na? And we are taking union of both group. Union of both group is becoming the single group. Understood? Same here. This is one group and that is one group. We are taking union of both group, and that is becoming this. Yes? Please write it down.